You've seen K-dramas, but have you ever walked its heartbeat? In this real-time walking tour, we'll explore the true soul of Seoul. The aroma of spicy kimchi fills the air, and every corner bursts with K-pop energy. Welcome to Seoul, South Korea, the beating heart of Asia that's calling your name. Why is Seoul the ultimate destination for travelers and culture lovers? What are the must-see landmarks, mouth-watering foods, and hidden gems you can't miss? Join me on this walking tour where we'll uncover Seoul's vibrant streets, iconic sites, and insider tips that'll make you book your flight today. Grab your virtual walking shoes. This is Seoul like you've never seen before. Seoul, South Korea's capital, is home to 9.7 million people and blends 2,000 years of history with cutting-edge modernity. It's the birthplace of K-pop, K-dramas, and tech giants like Samsung, yet it's steeped in tradition with 5 royal palaces and Buddhist temples. What makes Seoul special? First, it's dynamic. You can shop for K-beauty in Myeongdong, visit a 600-year-old palace, or party in Gwanghwamun all in one day. Second, it's accessible. English is common in tourist areas, 60 to 80% fluency, and the subway is world-class, $1 to $2 rides. Fun fact, Seoul's Gyeongbokgung Palace was built in 1395 and still hosts railguard ceremonies. Foreigners love Seoul for its safety, low crime rates, food scene from Michelin-starred to street stalls, and culture, K-pop concerts, hanbok rentals. Ex-posts rave about Seoul's energy, though some note crowded subways during rush hour. As we walk through Myeongdong, notice the mix of global brands and local vendors. Let's explore what makes this area iconic. Key points: blends tradition, palaces, and modernity, K-pop, tech, accessible with English signage and affordable costs, safe, vibrant, and culturally rich. Fun fact, Seoul's Seoul Tower is a romantic hotspot with love locks left by couples. Ex-posts rave about Seoul's vibrant energy in food, though some note crowded subways during rush hour. Whether you're into history, food, or K-pop, Seoul's got it all. Seoul is the birthplace of K-pop and K-dramas, and it's a fan's paradise. In Myeongdong, K-pop shops sell BTS and Blackpink merch, $5 posters, $20 albums. Hongdae is a 20-minute subway ride, $1.50, has free street performances and 1 million dance studio classes, $15 per session. Visit SM Town in Gangdam for interactive K-pop exhibits, $10 to $20. Love K-dramas? Insadong near Insadong has quirky cafés featured in Crash Landing on You, $5 drinks. Rent a hanbok near Gyeongbokgung for photos and free palace entry. Fun fact, Seoul hosted BTS's 2022 free concert, drawing 50,000 fans. Ex-posts buzz about spotting idols in Gangdam. Pro tip, follow K-pop map for concert updates and book K-drama tours via Klook, $30 to $50. Seoul's shopping scene goes way beyond Myeongdong's K-beauty stores. As we walk, let's highlight other hotspots nearby. Just 5 minutes in Myeongdong is Namdaemun Market, Seoul's oldest market, packed with 10,000 stalls. Grab souvenirs like hanbok dolls, $5 to $10, or try street food like mandu, $2 to $3. Look at these colorful stalls. A 15-minute subway ride from Gwanghwamun takes you to Dongdaemun Market, a fashion paradise with 26 malls open till 5 a.m. Score trendy clothes for $10 to $30 or custom hanbok for $50 to $100. In Insadong, our final stop, browse Sumsijil, a spiral-shaped complex with hand-weighed pottery, jewelry, and art, $5 to $20. Why shop here? These spots offer authentic Korean goods at budget prices, unlike touristy traps. Bargain politely at markets and carry cash for small vendors. Pro tip, use Kakao Map to navigate markets and check Dongdaemun's Duka Mall for late-night deals. Avoid overpriced souvenirs near palaces. Seoul's seasonal events make every visit unforgettable, and our route catches some of the best. In spring, April, Uido Cherry Blossom Festival is a 20-minute subway ride from Myeongdong, with pink blooms lining the Han River, free to attend. Fall, September, October, brings the Seoul Lantern Festival along Cheongcheon Stream, where glowing lanterns create a magical vibe. Look at these stunning displays. During Chuseok, Korean Thanksgiving, September-October, Gyeongbokgung hosts free hanbok parades and folk games. Winter, December, lights up Gwanghwamun Square with Christmas markets and ice skating, $5 to $10. Why visit during festivals? They're free or cheap, and you'll see locals in hanbok or performing traditional dances. Check Visit Seoul for 2025 dates. Pro tip, Book accommodations early for festivals via Agoda and wear comfy shoes for crowded events. Follow @VisitSeoul on X for updates. Key points: spring, cherry blossoms in Uido; fall, lantern festival Chuseok at Gyeongbokgung; winter, Christmas markets in Gwanghwamun Square.
Seoul's tech scene is next level, and you'll feel it on our walk. In Myeongdong, try smart vending machines dispensing K-beauty masks $2 to $5. Near Gwanghwamun, visit Samsung Delight, a free tech exhibit showcasing VR and AI innovations. Just a 10-minute taxi ride, free to $5. In Insadong, pop into Café Yeongnam, a 3D comic book-themed cafe for Instagram-worthy tech vibes, $5 drinks. For a high-tech thrill, Seoul Sky at Lotte World Tower, 20 minutes from Myeongdong, $25 entry, uses AR to enhance city views. Why tech in Seoul? It's the world's most connected city, with free Wi-Fi everywhere and apps like KakaoTalk for navigation. Rent a Wi-Fi egg, $5 per day, for unlimited data. Pro tip, download Kakao Metro and Naver Maps for English-friendly navigation and try a VR arcade in Hongdae, $10 per hour. Key points: Myeongdong's smart vending, Samsung Delight for tech, Seoul Sky and themed cafes for futuristic fun, free Wi-Fi and apps for easy exploration. Seoul's best places to see. Follow along as we explore. Myeongdong, we're in the heart of Myeongdong, famous for K-beauty shops like Etude House and street food stalls. Look at these vibrant signs and crowds. The Myeongdong Cathedral, a Gothic-style church, is a hidden gem here, free to visit. Cheonggyecheon Stream. A 10-minute walk north, we reach this 11-kilometer urban stream, a peaceful oasis amidst skyscrapers. Walk along the path, spot couples, and enjoy free art installations, perfect for a breather. Gwanghwamun Square. Here's the iconic Gwanghwamun Gate, the entrance to Gyeongbokgung Palace. The square features statues of King Sejong, creator of Hangul, and Admiral Yi Sun-sin. It's a hub for history lovers with free events like K-pop performances. Gyeongbokgung Palace. A short stroll from the square, this 1395 palace is Seoul's grandest. Entry is $3, and you can rent a hanbok, $5 to $10, for free admission and epic photos. Watch the guard-changing ceremony at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. Insadong, our final stop, a 15-minute walk from Gyeongbokgung, is Insadong's traditional alleys. Browse tea houses, art galleries, and shops selling hanbok or pottery. It's Seoul's cultural soul. Why this route? It's walkable, 1 to 1.5 hours, covers modern and traditional Seoul, and is subway accessible. Myeongdong Station, Line 4. Use the T-Money card, $3 to $5, for easy transport. Key points: Myeongdong shopping and street food, Cheonggyecheon urban oasis, Gwanghwamun and Gyeongbokgung historic landmarks, Insadong traditional culture and crafts. Must-try foods in Seoul. Seoul's food scene is a global sensation, and our walking route is a foodie's paradise. Here are the top 5 foods to try with spots to eat them. Tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes. These chewy rice cakes in spicy sweet sauce are a Myeongdong staple. Try them at street stalls for $2 to $4. Look for the longest line, that's the best spot. Hotek, sweet pancakes. A crispy pancake filled with brown sugar and nuts, perfect for a Myeongdong snack, $1 to $2. Grab one near Myeongdong Station. Bibimbap, mixed rice bowl. A colorful bowl of rice, veggies, and gochujang sauce. Try it at Gogung in Insadong for $7 to $10 for a traditional vibe. Kimbap, seaweed rice rolls, like sushi but with Korean flair. Get it at Cheonggyecheon stalls or Insadong's Gimbap Heaven, $3 to $5. Samgyeopsal, barbecue pork. Grill your own pork belly at a Myeongdong barbecue joint like Wongbijib, $10 to $15. Pair with soju, $3 to $5. Pro tip, carry cash, KRW, for street vendors and try banchan, side dishes included with meals. For vegetarians, Insadong has vegan-friendly spots like Oseegyahong. Key points: iconic foods, tteokbokki, hotek, bibimbap, kimbap, samgyeopsal. Best spots: Myeongdong stalls, Insadong restaurants. Budget-friendly, $1 to $15 with vegan options. Famous landmarks and hidden gems. Beyond our route, Seoul's landmarks and hidden gems add magic to your trip. Here are 5 more must-visit spots. Bukon Hanok Village. A 10-minute taxi from Insadong, $3 to $5. This area has traditional Hanok houses. Wander the alleys and visit tea houses. Free entry, $5 teas. Seoul Tower, on Namsan Mountain, reachable by cable car, $10 round trip. This tower offers panoramic views. Visit at sunset for romance, $5 entry. Dongdaemun Design Plaza, DDP, a futuristic architectural marvel with shops and exhibitions, $5 to $10 entry. Great for night walks, 15 minutes from Myeongdong. Namdaemun Market. Near Myeongdong, this historic market has street food and souvenirs, $1 to $5. Try mandu, dumplings here. Hongdae Street. A 20-minute subway ride from Myeongdong, this youth hub has street performers, K-pop shops, and quirky cafés, $5 to $10 drinks. Hidden gems. Insadong. Near Insadong, a trendy Hanok area with retro cafés, $3 to $5 coffee. Seoul Sky, in Lotte World Tower, the world's 5th tallest building, $25 entry for 360-degree views. Why these? They balance Seoul's iconic landmarks with offbeat spots, perfect for a walking tour vibe. Key points: landmarks, Bukon and Seoul Tower, DDP, markets and hidden gems, Namdaemun, Insadong. Accessible via subway or short taxi rides.
Insider tips and cultural insights. To make your Seoul walking tour epic, here are insider tips and cultural insights. Navigation. Use the Seoul Metro app or Naver Maps for English-friendly directions. A T-Money card, $3 to $5, covers subways and buses. Cultural etiquette. Bow slightly when greeting, remove shoes in traditional homes, and avoid loud behavior in temples. Learn 안녕하세요, hello, to charm locals. Safety. Seoul is one of Asia's safest cities, with low crime rates. Keep bags secure in Myeongdong and use Grab for late-night rides, $3 to $6. Budget tips. Eat at street stalls, $1 to $5, and buy combo tickets for palaces, $10 for 5. Visit free spots like Cheonggyecheon or Gwanghwamun Square. Seasonal tips. Spring, April to May, and fall, September to October, are ideal. 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Winter, December to February, has festive lights but cold temps, 30 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. Summer, June to August, is hot and humid. Carry an umbrella. K-pop culture. Catch free street performances in Hongdae or Myeongdong. Visit SM Town and Gangnam for K-pop merch, $5 to $20. Expat tip. Join Seoul expat groups on Meetup for local events or restaurant recommendations. Pro tip. Rent a hanbok in Insadong, $5 to $10 per hour for free palace entry and Instagram-worthy photos. Use Wi-Fi eggs, $5 per day, for constant connectivity. Key points. Easy navigation with T-Money and apps. Respectful etiquette and budget-friendly tips. Safe, vibrant, and K-pop infused. And just like that, our walking journey through Seoul comes to an end. But if you've made it this far, you're not just a viewer. You're part of this experience. You've walked the same streets, soaked in the same lights, and tasted the same culture. All from wherever you are in the world. Think about it. How many cities can offer skyscrapers and serene temples in the same breath? Where you can grab a tteokbokki from a street cart, then be staring at a centuries-old palace 5 minutes later. Seoul isn't just a city. It's a rhythm, a feeling, a story still being written. Is this your dream destination? I'd love to hear your stories, whether you studied in Hongdae, met someone special in Myeongdong, or just want to share what Seoul means to you. Drop it in the comments below. I read every one. That's our Seoul walking tour from Myeongdong to Insadong. From ancient palaces to sizzling street food, Seoul's vibrant streets have it all. Ready to explore this dynamic city? Let us know in the comments which spot or dish you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides. Share this with your travel buddies, and we'll see you on the streets of Seoul. Subscribe for more travel content. Comment, what's your must-see in Seoul?